Hey everyone, I'm Jess M. Welcome to the Market Made channel. This week I'm going to be publishing several mini videos about DIY holiday decor. So this video is actually about making modern wreaths. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Market Made channel and click on the notification buttons to stay up to date on all my content. You can also check me out on social media at The Market Made or my website, themarketdesigns.com. And I'll make sure to include that in the description below. So let's get started on this quick tutorial. To me, when I hear the term modern, I think of three styles: minimalistic, geometric, and a fresh take on a traditional style. So I created one for each of those styles. So first up is a fresh take on a traditional style. Instead of making a hanging wreath, I elected to make a sitting wreath, I guess is the closest thing I could describe this to. I basically took two smaller wreaths and combined them into one. The ones I had on hand were already spray painted silver, which worked out perfectly for me because I wanted to not go with traditional colors. I tied them together with floral wire and cut out a circle of extra cardboard, laying out my idea, then gluing and tying it all together. You can see I didn't glue down every single pine cone when I put them in sort of like this little basket. I made sure the vertical wreath leaned back a little bit because have you ever gotten a Christmas card from family that you really liked or took like a really nice Christmas photo of you? I really wanted to make this new take on a wreath, like a temporary card holder slash like picture frame. I like it because it's pretty versatile and it's a traditional looking item, but with a different structure and style. So take a look at my finished product. Up next, the second style is my personal favorite, the minimalist style. It is so easy. I bought a metal hoop from Hobby Lobby. I bought these gold curly like accent looking things and a red bow. You quite literally lay the gold curly cues on top of it and then some a little bit behind it, but you want it slightly off centered and you want to tie them down with floral wire, then tie a red bow onto it. It looked pretty good as is, but I wanted to add a little more to class and sass it up. I had an extra glitter wire ribbon and took some red garland from another project, but I love this wreath. It turned out very well. I'm not just saying this to be like YouTube excited to hype you guys up for this, but I actually like love this, and I was going to reuse the hoop for a different project and now I'm not gonna touch it. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm not touching this thing. So check out my favorite wreath. Last style, geometric. So you start off going to the Dollar Tree to buy some crafting dowels. After getting the dowels, you want to lay out what you want to do. When I think geometric, I think of like a square or a triangle versus like the classic circle wreath. So I laid it out into a triangle and I took this woven floral wire and wrapped it around the corners to hold it in place. Next, I hot glued the dowel corners and wire together so they wouldn't move around. I then took some leftover golden curly cues, wrapped them around the two sides of the triangle, and wrapped some leftover sparkly gold wire ribbon around the same sides. Then I tied it with a wire, added a gold bow and some gold garland, and voila, super easy DIY triangle wreath. This is probably my least favorite though, and I'll tell you why. I made the triangle wreath and I like it, but I wish I would have spray painted the dowels white versus leaving them their natural like wood color. I'd thought that I would like it like that. I don't. Additionally, it is very lopsided. It's very heavy to one side to get sort of that like asymmetrical look. So you would need one of those wider picture frame holders for it to be level. So even though I do have a couple hesitations about this, I do like it and it is pretty cute and you could really do a lot with this design. So check out my triangle wreath. up with another modern holiday wreath. It's minimalist, and I think you will like this one. I knew I could make a minimalist holiday wreath, so here it is. Done. I'm hilarious. And that's it. We are done with that quick tutorial. If you have questions, you need help figuring out how to customize your wreath, or you just want to say hi, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to the Mark May channel. And as always, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy this holiday season and the fact that 2020 is coming to a close. Stay safe out there, mask up, and have a great day. Bye.